Always test before you touch. You think that breaker's off? Don't trust it. So introducing a new series of videos that I'm going to call Internet Electricians Quick Tips. So let's get started with this one. Always test before you touch. So one of the biggest mistakes that DIYers make, and electricians as well, is to assume that because you turned off a breaker, that the wires are safe to touch. So breakers can be mislabeled. Someone may have modified the wiring, or you may have simply turned off the wrong breaker. And that's why electricians follow a simple rule, and I reiterate, test before you touch. Now, a non-contact voltage tester such as this makes it quick and easy, but they can be a little bit unreliable with false indications or no indication for various reasons like a dead battery. So let me show how they can be a little bit deceiving. I don't think there's 120 volts in my head. So a good electrician usually relies on a good multimeter, a good quality multimeter. So I recommend actual contact testers. The best being a good quality multimeter. Now before touching any wire, you want to test the subject wire and confirm that no voltage is present. Then you want to test it on a known live source to make sure the tester is working properly. A few seconds of testing can prevent a painful shock or something much worse. So remember, just because you think you shut off the right breaker, that's not proof. Testing is proof. So follow me for more electrical tips and DIY advice. I'm Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make comments below, and I'll see you, or will you see me, in the next one.